प्यारी बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा आज का टॉपिक जो है दैट इज मटेरियल्स, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। ये टॉपिक जो है ये क्लास 8 के साइंस से लिया गया टॉपिक है। तो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द मटेरियल्स, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। मटेरियल्स जो है दे हैव बीन डिफरेंशिएटेड, दे हैव बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू मेजर ग्रुप्स. The materials which we see around us have been differentiated into two major groups, that is metals and non-metals. Metals, non-metals. तो materials को differentiate किया गया है on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. The materials on the basis of physical and chemical properties, materials have been divided into two major groups, that is metals and non-metals. So on the basis of what the materials have been divided into two major groups on the basis of physical and chemical properties, the materials have been differentiated into two major groups. First of all, we will see some examples of metals and non-metals. Iron is an example of metal. Iron is an example of metal. Silver, copper, sodium, potassium. These are some examples of metals. So there are some examples which we write here, examples of non-metals: bromine, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon, sulfur, etc. So these are the examples of metals and non-metals. Iron, silver, copper, sodium, potassium, etc. are the examples of metals. Bromine, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon, sulfur, etc. These are the examples of non-metals. So first of all, we will learn about the physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. The first physical properties of metals is metals are solid. Metals are solid. Metals are solid except Hg. It is the symbol of mercury. Metals are solid except mercury. अगर हम देखेंगे आयरन देखेंगे हम, कॉपर देखेंगे हम, सिल्वर देखेंगे हम, गोल्ड देखेंगे हम, they are physically solid. They are physically solid except mercury. Mercury is that metal which is which is liquid at room temperature. It is the exception in the metals. So far as their physical property is concerned, mercury is that metal which is liquid at room temperature. Most of the metals are solid at room temperature. Number second, metals are hard. Metals are hard. यहाँ पे भी exception है, that is sodium and potassium. Metals are hard. अगर हम आयरन देखेंगे, अगर हम अल्युमिनियम देखेंगे, अगर हम कॉपर देखेंगे, अगर हम सिल्वर देखेंगे, अगर हम गोल्ड देखेंगे, they are hard. Physically they are hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are those two metals which are so soft that we can cut them with a knife. So they are they are soft metals. Sodium and potassium are soft metals. Most of the metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Most of the metals are solid except mercury. Mercury is that metal which is liquid at room temperature. Number third, metals are malleable. metals जो है they are malleable. malleable का मतलब क्या है? It is that property of metals by which we can convert them into thin sheets. We can convert them into thin sheets. It's the property of metals only that we can convert. If we beat the metal, we can convert it into thin sheets. हम जो डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ यूटेंसिल्स देखते हैं या मतलब जो ये मेटल होता है, इट इज इन द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए बॉल और इरेगुलर शेप होती है. देन इट इज हैमर्ड बाय द ब्लैक स्मिथ एंड इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिफरेंट यूटेंसिल्स. इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल्स दैट वी कैन कन्वर्ट देम इनटू थिन. We can convert them into thin sheets. So what is malleability? It is that property of a metal by which we can convert the metals into thin sheets. Metals are ductile. Metals are ductile. It means it is that property of a metal that we can convert the metals into wires. हम जो wires देखते हैं, they are the metals actually. So it is that property of a metal that we can convert them into wires. Malleability means we can convert the metal into thin sheets. The ductility is that we can convert the metal into wires. Metals are lustrous. Metals are lustrous. It means metals have a shiny appearance. Shiny. Metals are lustrous. It means metals have a shiny appearance. If we see the gold, if we see this silver, if we see the copper or other these metals, most of the metals are lustrous. Like अगर हम एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो सिल्वर है, gold है. We use them as a jewelry. Silver and gold is used as a jewelry because they have a shiny appearance. Metals are sonorous. What does it mean? What does the sonorous mean? Sonorous means metals produce a ringing sound. When we strike the metal with another object, it produces a ringing sound. So sonorous means sonorous means ringing sound. When we strike the metal with another object, it produces a ringing sound. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. It is due to this property that we are using the metals as our cooking utensils. We use the metals as these wires. Due to this conduction of electricity, the wires are used. The wires of copper are used for this electricity. It is this property, conduction property. These wires carry the electricity, and we use the utensils for cooking food. It is due to this conduction of heat. The food is cooked in a utensil in a utensil. Metals have high melting point except gallium. It is that metal, gallium is that metal which have a low melting point. Most of the metals have high melting point. अगर हमें metals को melt करना है, so we have to give them a high. They do not get melt easily. They do not get melted easily. So we can say that metals have a high melting point except gallium. Thank you.